Hey guys, I hope everybody is doing well. So today your girl was hungry and wanted a black bean quesadilla. I actually got this recipe from an influencer. I'll list his information down below. So here, as you see, I'm starting off with black beans, veggies, and some seasonings. And I used paprika, a little bit of cumin, and I used our house-made exquisite seasoning, which you guys can get it. The link is in the bio. So now I'm putting down my tortilla shells, and now I'm just loading it up with some good old black beans. It has plenty of iron, plenty of protein, just all around goodness. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put in a little bit more just to make our tortilla good and full. And then I'm gonna add in the plant-based cheese and flip it over just until it's a little golden. And then I'm just gonna mash that down. And then boom, you have a good old quesadilla. And when I tell you I ate the lettuce, I ate the lime, the rice, it was nothing on that plate. Everything was gone. Not a crumb, not a lettuce, nothing left, not a piece of rice. It was good. Y'all go ahead and try this recipe. Stop playing.